In this video, we will show you how to submit your fluid analysis sample online via Horizon. Submitting sample information online is faster and easier than filling out the paper form, and eliminates handwritten errors that could delay the testing process. Submitting your sample online also allows you to generate and print new barcode labels if you do not have them. Once logged into Horizon, click on the Sample Submission tab to see all the accounts associated with your email address. Select the correct account by clicking the check mark in the right column. Then, click the green arrow to move forward and see the list of equipment and components associated with the account. Select the piece of equipment the sample came from. Here are a few tips to help you navigate the sample submission form. Collapsing components allows you to declutter your page and see individual component information one at a time. Clicking the red X to the left of the component ID removes the component from your sample submission form. Under Sample Information, enter in the tracking number associated with your sample jar, which can be found on your paperwork under the barcode and is typically 11 digits long. The kit field will autofill based on your tracking number. If you have the option to select a kit without a barcode, leave the barcode field blank and select the kit, and your account will be charged accordingly. Sample date is the day you pulled the sample. Fluid time is how long since you've changed the fluid in your system. Component time is how long the component has been operating. These fields are dependent on your preference. The options are miles, kilometers, hours, days, months, years, kilotons, tons, and unknown. If you have information that will be the same across all components, you can enter in the value in the top Autofill Value section. Clicking the green arrow will apply the values to all your components. If you submitted a sample for that component previously, click Calculate Fluid Time, and the system will calculate it for you. Enter if the filter and fluid were changed, then the amount of fluid added. This is the amount of fluid that has been added since you sent in a sample for that component. Checking the Rush box moves your sample to the front of the laboratory queue. There will be an additional charge for a rush sample. Depending on the type of testing and time of arrival, the sample may be completed on the same day the sample arrives at the laboratory. For billing and account purposes, you can enter in a purchase order number. Your account may require a PO when submitting samples without a barcode number, requesting rushes, or requesting additional testing. The additional testing field allows you to request tests beyond the ones included in your standard kit. Additional charges will apply. The Notes to Analyst box allows you to submit any additional information about your sample that would be helpful when the data analyst is reviewing the test results and offering their maintenance recommendations. This is the only information the analyst can review. The Miscellaneous field is there for any additional information you want to associate with the sample for your own information. Once you've completed the information for all samples, click the green check mark. The next page confirms your sample has been submitted. If you submitted samples without barcodes, you can print labels using a variety of different formats. Clicking the green arrow button will open a PDF that can be printed so you can place the label on your sample jar. You will also receive an email confirming your sample was submitted. Your next step is to place your jar in the mail and ship to the laboratory. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more Horizon instructional videos in the technical library. If you have any additional questions or need assistance, contact customer service. We're here to help.